Good morning everyone at home. Welcome back to Phonics. Okay, what we're going to do first is we're going to do our phonemes, our sounds, our noises. But I'm also going to ask you to write some of the graphemes too. Okay, so make sure at home that you've got paper and a pencil ready. We've got our boards and we've got our pens here, haven't we? So we're ready to go. Ready? Steady. Go. Yeah. I'd like you to write this one down. Are you ready? E. I'll give you 10 seconds to write it down. E. Three, two, one. Show me, show me. Boom! Look at that. E looks like that. Does yours look like mine?
Yeah.
2 letter E's?
Yeah.
Brilliant. 3, 2, 1, go! Can you write that one down for me? Write that one down on your board. Maybe you could write both of them. I'll give you 10 seconds.
3 of them.
Three, 2, 1. Show me, show me. First one I was looking at. Did you do that one? U and R. The phoneme Ready, steady, go. Long one. Oh. A. There's the other one. Can you write that one down on your board? 10 seconds. Three, 2, 1. Show me, show me. Boom. Well done. Do you know what? Let me have a look at home. Yeah. Everybody's done a letter A at the beginning because lots of people get confused and sometimes they write a letter O at the beginning for the sound, the phoneme R. If I put an O at the beginning, what sound would it be? Oh, wouldn't it? Ready, steady, go! Ear. Your. Oi. Ow. Shh. What's the name of that letter? V. Yeah. What's the name of that letter? Y, the letter Y. Yeah. Okay, everybody. Boards and pens ready. Quick write. 5 seconds for each phoneme. You're going to write the grapheme on your board. The 3 will join together to make a word. Don't tell me until I ask you to. All right?
Okay.
Let's not have any shouting.
Everybody can just do that.
Blend that word with your friend. Blend it at home. What have we got? What's the word? Get. Get. The word was get. Well done. Are you ready? I'm going to stick a digraph in this one. Here we go. A. 5 seconds for that one too. Seconds, keep it secret, Blend the word with your friend, blend the word at home. What have we got? Blend it. What word do we have? Pain. We have pain. We had A. 2 digraphs for this one. Are you ready? Keep it secret. Blend that word with your friend. Blend it at home too. What have we made? What word have I made? Churn. Churn. That means mixing. Just churning things. Okay, boys and girls at home, we are going to play a game now called graffiti. I'm going to drop a slide in now, explaining to your mummies and daddies how to help you play. We're going to play it at school. I'll see you when we've finished. Bye for now. Welcome back, boys and girls at home. I hope you enjoyed that game as much as we did. We practiced all of our tricky words. Now, we've done words with 2 adjacent consonants at the beginning and 2 at the end. Today we're going to do 3 at the beginnings of some words. This is very difficult to hear, so we're going to segment together before you have a go at writing. You know the game. I'm going to shout the word, you're going to shout it back at me. We're going to have a go at segmenting, tearing it into pieces, counting those phonemes on our fingers before we write it down. Here's the word. Sprung. Shout it at me. Sprung. Sprung. The frog sprung. It's another word for jump, isn't it? Sprung. Say it again. Sprung. Okay, what can you hear at the beginning of sprung? We caught it. Have you got it in your fingers? Sprung. Here we go. Say the word again for me. Sprung. Sprung. What can you hear next door to there we go. Sprung. What can you hear next? Sprung. 1, 2, 3 adjacent consonants. Say it again for me. Sprung. Go, go, go. Write it on your board.
I've done it already.
In 3, 2, 1. Show me your boards. Let me see your paper at home as well. Well done. Well done. Right. See, can you help me out? Can you say those phonemes one at a time for me so I can write it down? Is that the beginning of sprung? And there you go, boys and girls. Hang on 1 second. 1, 2, 3 consonants. They all make their own sound by themselves, but they are squished next door to each other. Then we've got the vowel U, and then we've got the digraph. What 2 letters do I need? An N and a G. Right, are you ready? Let me put the sound buttons underneath so that we can do this together. Let us blend. In 3, 2, 1, go. And again. Sprung. What would I need to do to change it to spring? Where would the it go?
Where the O is.
So if I take that vowel out,
And then put an I.
and I put a letter I in there, and does it say spring? Blend with me. 3, 2, 1, go.
Spring.
It does. Okay. Let's try a new word. This one is just like spring and sprung. It's got 1, 2, 3 consonants squished together at the beginning, but it's also got 2 digraphs in it. It's a little bit more difficult. There's a lot more letters. Here's the word. Are you ready? Screech.
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 Screech. What can you hear at the beginning of screech? Brilliant. Catch it on your finger for me. Screech. What's next in screech? Screech. 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 E is that one there. Each. Well done. Each is at the end. Each. Screech. Keep saying those phonemes, keep saying those sounds, keep saying those noises as you write. Segment and write screech. Go. Three, 2, 1. Show me your boards. Let me see your paper at home too. Brilliant work. Well done. Screech. Well done. Good writing, everyone. Tell me the phonemes one by one. Look, there we go. 1, 2, 3 consonants. They all make their own sound, but they're squished very close together. Okay? What was next? E. Now I know that that's 2 E's joined together. And C and H. Blend with me. 3, 2, 1, go. Each. And again. Each. Screech. Fantastic. Okay, one final word to segment. Get your hands ready to catch the first phoneme. Here it comes. The word is strong. 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 Catch that first sound for me. Strong. Brilliant. Is at the beginning of strong. What can you hear next? Strong. Strong. Well done. It's an ong. There we go. There's our vowel. Well done. So it's that digraph again. Strong. Segment and write. Strong. 3, 2, 1. Show me. Let me see your boards. Let me see your paper at home. Strong. Good writing, everyone. Strong. Help me out with the first one. There we go. 1, 2, 3 consonants. They all make their own sound, but they're joined very closely together. What was next? There's our vowel. It's our digraph again.
It's all right.
Strong. Blend with me. 3, 2, 1, go. And again. Strong. Brilliant job. Well done, everyone. I'm so impressed. Now, make sure you've got some space. Okay, if you're running out of paper at home, make sure you've got a fresh piece. We're going to write a whole sentence. I'm going to give you 2 words at a time, and I want you to write them down. There is going to be a very tricky word inside this sentence with 3 consonants squished very closely together. Make sure you segment carefully. Tear the word apart carefully. Remind me what we need to remember in our sentences. Capitals, finger spaces, and punctuation. Yeah, so it could be a question mark, it could be a full stop,
Or it could be
an exclamation mark. It depends on the sentence, but a bit of punctuation. I'll let you know what I want at the end of it. So here we go. First 2 words. Do you. Those are your first 2 words. Do you. They are both tricky words. Do you. Write them down. Do you. Next 2 words, everybody. Like to. So 2 new words now. They're both tricky words. Like to. You can't segment these words. You've just got to remember what they look like. So do you like to? Okay, so those are our 4 words so far. Do yours look the same as mine at the moment? Do you like to? Okay. Do you like to? Here's 2 new words. Now this first one has got 1, 2, 3 consonants squished at the beginning of it. It's difficult to hear. Okay, here it comes. Splash in. Got 2 new words there. Splash in. I'll say them again. Splash in. Do you like to splash in? Last 2 words, and it's a question. So that will tell you the punctuation you need to use. The question mark. The bath. 2 new words. The bath. And then we're finished. And it is a question. In 3, 2, 1. Show me your boards. Show me your paper at home. Let me see how far you've got. Keep your boards down. On your tummies. Show me, show me. Do you? Wow, well done. I can see capital letters. I can see finger spaces. I can see the punctuation at the end, so you've all used the question mark, like I said. And I can see that everybody's had a really good old go at the word splash. Some people have missed off the which is the most difficult one to hear, but lots and lots of you have got that one on your paper. Well done. Read the whole sentence with me. Do you like to splash in the bath?
Yes! Yes!
Yeah. Okay, boys and girls at home, that is it for phonics today. Well done. Thank you for joining along. We'll see you again another day. Bye-bye.